how to adjust the left and right sound balance on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. In here, we tap on hearing enhancements and then scroll down. And in the left or right sound balance section, you can adjust your connected audio or the phone speakers left or right sound balance. So to readjust, simply drag on the slider bar more to the right or more to the left to adjust your sound. Here you can also adjust the phone speakers as well, more to the left. So you can hold it this way and then we can test it out. So this is more to the left. Here you can see it will adjust more to the right on this side here, the speaker over here. Or we can have it placed at the center. And that's it. So if you don't see the phone speakers, then go to your mono audio up here and tap on the left hand side panel. Make sure you select connected audio and phone speakers. If you just set it to connected audio, then sometimes this may not appear. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.